Alright, well, grass is getting pretty long. About time to cut it, but fell a lot of rain, so it's pretty wet. So I decided, well, today's a good day to take the blade off the mower. It's right there, and let's try the new and improved TEMU Rebuild lawnmower blade sharpener. So here it is right here. In case you guys haven't watched the episode of me rebuilding this, check it out. But let's try it out and see what happens. Now, how this works is you put this on the inside, and it's your guide, and this is the part that grinds. This is your grinding wheel. So you want it to look just like that. Make sure you remember how many passes you did. That way you do the same amount of passes on the other side. And there we go. That part really don't matter. So if you don't get it, you don't get it. But that looks real good. Real good. Now, I'll put it on the nail. I'll balance it out. Now, if you guys do not have a nail or a screw laying around, you use one of these little magnet hooks. There's a piece of trim, just like that. See how it's off? One side's heavier than the other, so that means I got to trim a little bit more on this to make this side even. Alright, check that out. That is perfect, perfectly level. So that's all I got for this episode of the TEMU Rebuild lawnmower blade sharpener. So check out the video how I did this, but that's all for now. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you would. Please don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.